Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 30th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across FMCG, IT and technology, energy and power, auto, metals and mining, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in FMCG. Hindustan Unilever made a dramatic move today, plunged -6.99% to 2022.70 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Hull focuses on volume-led growth, absorbs half of input inflation to protect consumers, CEO Indiagazette.com. The technical picture for Hindustan Unilever has deteriorated. The 1,901.34 Indian rupees level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Moving to IT and technology. TCS surged plus 4.46% to 2,398 Indian rupees in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street closes down sharply after Fed holds rates unchanged. The 26 to 28% EBIT margin band has been consistently delivered. The market wants to see whether AI-driven productivity allows margin expansion beyond the upper end of that range. Attrition stabilization is a positive signal on demand confidence. AI services deal conversions are the emerging growth driver. Moving to energy and power. NTPC dropped sharply -2.08% to 343.50 Indian rupees. The move follows reports that stock market today, NASDAQ bounces back, S&P 500 and Dow rise as earnings, falling oil prices offset chip weakness, Yahoo Finance. After today's weakness, the 333.19 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for NTPC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to auto. Tata Motors dipped -0.99% to 324.40 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as investors await tech earnings. India passenger vehicle market share and EV penetration, particularly Nexon EV, is the domestic growth story. JLR's transition to full BEV by 2030 requires significant capital but positions the brand well. Any update on the next-generation JLR platform timeline would be a catalyst. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel dipped -0.88% to 182.63 Indian rupees. The move follows reports that what puts BHP, ASX BHP, back in metals focus? KLKinemedia.com. Tata Steel is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 186.28 Indian rupees resistance and 178.98 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 95.64, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets and we will see you in the next video. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.